Okay, so I'm thinking of sharing with you some couple things over here, some couple tips on fuel stuff, and how some of the stuff over here, how it was ran, and the difficulties and the tips to have, okay, so that you can avoid some of the mistakes and then expenses that you shouldn't be having. Specifically for small churches, we ended up buying a lot of material because we're thinking if we do all those things, it's gonna be better. But I want to help you save some of the cost because I tell you, you don't want to be overspending, okay, over certain materials that you we end up not even having to use. So first thing first is that when we started, we used to have this little analog here, and the reason why we changed it is because we wanted to go live, and it was a little difficult to get this one on the sound, be proper, and we ended up buying a lot of tools, and this thing we don't even use them anymore. We pretty much using only this one on the bottom here, okay, and this one we don't even use it, and in the all brand new. That's because this has channel frequencies that will interfere with this type over here. So I want to help you, kind of like sort out to avoid to have to pay all those things, and at the end of the day, you don't even use them. So short story, this is really where it all boils down. Once you understand how you understand how to utilize a stream deck, okay, that would be really like 90%, 95% of saving you a lot of headaches. Other than that, there is this tool here that is called H2R Graphy that is working perfectly fine. There is a new version of it, you don't want it. The new version has removed a lot of options. This old one is still working perfectly to do all kind of like a screen, green screen, a screen, chroma screen, and all that. So I would like to be able to, go a little deeper, but I want to let you know, hey, you don't have to spend a lot of money like we did for small churches, and then you ended up having all tools, but that's not necessary. Your audio, video shouldn't be complicated. It should be something really simple. Now, for a disclaimer, because of all the experience that we had, we ended up creating a brand, a company, because we wanted to take away all the issues that churches have, being ourselves a little church. So we created a company, and then our brand is called VBox Studio. I'm not asking you to pay for it, but I'm telling you that the experience that we had has actually helped us understand what was the tricks that are in so many different type of system business, and you know what I'm saying. And we found out that a lot of a product that we see out there, they're pretty much the same exact thing with a couple differences, the brand. So this is not to bash other brands, okay, because everybody does is own, but I'm trying to give you some tips so that you don't spend money where you shouldn't. These are our brands, right? The VBox Studio brand, okay? These are all branded for our company, okay? And then we are a Christian company, right? But this exact, the same exact one here, we ended up paying sometimes 3,000 and whatnot for the same exact thing. Why? Because it's all about how you understand what is inside the system. Same thing with microphones. We were trying to have better audio. Now we spend a lot of money buying all those roads and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? And like a lot of money trying to buy all those things. And then we bought all kind of microphones. And then this microphone, this cable, this microphone, this cable. Like you have. I mean, you have no idea. Schneider's, whatever. Like we bought so many different products just trying to get the best. Like we buy all kind of stuff to finally realize that it was just a matter of marketing. And I'm trying to have you save a lot of money, okay? So once we realized that all those things were pretty much the same exact thing, we were like, oh man, we bought all kind of stuff, trying to get a different idea, different recommendations from here to there. We bought microphone, we bought a TV stand, we bought all kind of different materials, and we ended up like, what? Hold on a second. And I realized that all these were just a matter of not knowing, not having the information, like lack of knowledge, right? These microphones, we ended up having those things and we don't even use them because, mind you, you will think that this brand is better than that brand and sure and so forth, whatever. It's all about marketing, like literally marketing. We ended up being in the business not because we wanted to have more money, but because we realized that there's so many churches where spending so much money over nothing. So we're gonna just have to help you save some cost, okay? And just let me know in the comment. I'm gonna show you how simple things can really make a big deal difference. And yeah, and you won't have to spend all those extra money, all those like like sometimes when you're trying to start a church or do a church, you know, you just want to make so better. At the end of the day, you spend like a 50,000, 100,000 over something you should have spent 5,000 or 3,000 for it. But that's because the lack of knowledge. What kind of tools, what kind of microphone we haven't bought, just because we wanted to have so clear whether the guitar, whether the bass guitar. I mean, I said we bought all kind of stuff just because we thought, yeah, we're gonna have more, and then this person said no, you have to have this one. This person said this one would be better. This one will say this, and then all kind of different and opinions. Finally, those opinions made us like extra stuff we don't use. We have to just put it like aside. We don't even use those things anymore. And then still, that's the best one. But we did not know. So I'm trying to save you sometimes. Let me in the comment know how I can help you to just figure out those things without having to spend so much money. So just to help you understand that the reason why we ended up having our own brains is not because we're better, but it's because we understood the system. We understood that you can spend a lot of money, you can spend little money, and at the end of the day, you can have really great tools, microphones, and all kind of gears, and still you will be doing not just fine, but better. So that's really what I'm trying to do for you guys. Spend less money and still have the proper gear. Let me know in the comment, and we go from there.